All right. Hi, everyone. So today we're going to be talking about marketing. And so if you guys want to hurry and type in the chat or talk amongst your group about what is marketing. You don't need to unmute, just talk with each other. And if you're by yourself, you can type it in the chat. Just what your definition of marketing would be. Okay, so, okay. Marketing is a way to get what you want out there. And it looks like Wayne County told us the way you sell things. Ashlynn told us kind of a way to promote a business. These are all great definitions of what marketing is. So how can we use marketing to help us be successful? So as a tri-team, you're going to have to use marketing to help you in lots of ways. One way it can help you is to help you advertise for events. It helps grow popularity of what you are and the events you're trying to teach. And it helps people stay engaged and it keeps people reminded of what is going on within your tri-team. So what are some ways that we can market? So you can market through social media platforms such as Instagram. You can market through word of mouth, and you can market through email advertising. There's so many different ways. So here we have one way that you can market is through social media. So our ambassador account our ambassador team has a social media account that we post reminders, we post upcoming events, and we post stuff about ourselves so you guys can get to know us and stay informed. So what are some ways to market? A good way to remember marketing is the 4 Ps. So the first one is the product. What are you trying to get out there? What do you want people to know about? The second one is the price. The third is the place, and fourth is promotion. So in this mock legislature, you can point out all 4 of these 4 Ps. So we have the product is mock legislature. That's what we're trying to get out there. We have the price, which is going to be $20. We have the place at the Utah County Extension Office, and we have the promotion. So we can see all of these things when we market. It helps people to stay informed and people to know what we're doing and when we're doing it. All right, so now we're going to do an activity. So we're going to have all the counties get together, and then those individuals, we're going to put you back into your teams again, into your breakout rooms again, so you guys can work together on this. So what we're going to do is on the next screen, I'm going to give you an assignment, and then you will have 5 minutes to complete this task. And then after it's complete, we'll share for 3 minutes. Not everyone's going to be able to share. I'll just pick on 1 to 2 counties to share their product with us. And so the materials you're going to need for this is a large poster paper, writing utensils, and the marketing flyer that you should have been given if you want to reference it for any help. So if you guys want to hurry and grab those materials or have the adults grab them. And then I'm going to put you guys into breakout rooms after you see this next screen. Sorry, guys, I wasn't sharing my screen that whole time, so you guys didn't see those, but you should have a reference paper to use. So for the first task, you're going to create an Instagram post to promote tri-team training. And the counties that are going to do this one are Beaver, Carbon, Emery, Juab, and Kane. And then the next task is to create a slogan for one of the tri-teams, and you can pick whichever tri-team you want. And the counties to do this will be Morgan, Rich, Salt Lake, San Juan, and San Pete. And then the last task will be to create a radio commercial for tri-team training. And the counties that will do this are Sevier, Uinta, Utah, Washington, and Wayne. So if you guys want to hurry and take a picture of this so you know, for those of you that will be going in a breakout room, otherwise I'll keep it up here.
And then
HRU groups, you guys can choose whichever one you want to do. You don't have to stick to your county. All right, I've opened your breakout rooms now, so you can go ahead and move to those.
Hi, this is Davis County. We don't see our names on what we should do, so we just picked Instagram post and radio commercial. Is that okay?
Yep, that works great.
Okay. Sounds. Would you mind sharing your screen again so that we can see what our objectives are for these advertisements?
I can try. It might kick the people out of the breakout rooms, but we'll try it.
Or if you'll just share them out loud for us so we can hear them again.
Yeah, so the first one is to create an Instagram post to promote tri-team training. And then the radio commercial one is create a radio commercial for tri-team training.
UF has not been assigned a breakout room or moved to a breakout room.
Are you guys all together?
There's just me. No one else decided to show up. So there you go.
Okay, we'll move you into a breakout room.
we'll put
Okay.
you with an individual group.
Can we get added to the Salt Lake breakout room as well?
Salt Lake doesn't have a breakout room because they're all together, but we'll add you to the individual one as well, so you can work
Or-
with the
Or we
individuals.
can put Salt Lake.
Thank you.
Megan, do you want to be put in a breakout room? And then we can put Hannah in with you.
It is what it is.
Was it Hannah Evans?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I think that they're all at Lisa's house.
Okay, so they don't need a breakout room.
No, so they should be good. That's what I was wondering. They
Okay.
should all be together in one location, and then we're just in a separate one. So I think we're okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Megan.
Hello. Are you guys all good?
Yes, we are all here.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Awesome.
Breakout room then.
Yeah, so if you guys just want to talk about it in at your location, and we'll talk about it here, and then we'll meet up later if that works.
Can you say that again? My team was being really loud.
Yeah, if you guys just want to do this like with your group that's there at your house, and then the STEM kids will do it here, and then later we can all meet together as a Salt Lake group.
That's fabulous. Thanks.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Hey, did one of you guys want to? Okay, you guys have 1 minute left. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So we're going to hurry and have Davis County. Will you guys share with us what you guys did? Just have one of your teams, either the radio or Instagram.
Okay, here we've got two different tri-teams here. So we have the ag science group, and then our healthy living and STEM tri-teams combined on this one. So I'll turn the time over to them. So they're just going to explain what kind of an ad they would be promoting their marketing through Instagram and through the radio. So the product, price, place, promotion, right? Okay. I'll help you. Okay, that's okay. Go ahead and like kind of hold it up. So what's your guys' product?
So we were making an Instagram post and we were just drawing it out. And we had just written down what it was, how much it costs, where the place is. And then also we were doing like a challenge kind of thing where like you should comment the name of your school, and the top school that was commented would get a free tri-team training at their school.
Thank you. Good job, guys. All right, on the radio, what would you do to promote tri-teams? And talk loud. These are the microphones, so face the microphone.
I'm not sure, would we be promoting tri-teams or be promoting like the project area?
Okay. Yeah. And what is the price to join a tri-team in any area?
You need to be qualified, but other than that, I don't think, like, not much other than that. I don't think it would really cost anything.
Yeah, so no cost. You just need to kind of have some type of interest in the project area. And where are you going to host your tri-team? Here at the awesome Utah House in Davis County. So that's what we were working on.
All right, sounds great. All right, Sam Pete, team one, do you guys want to hurry and share with me the slogan that you guys created?
Okay, you're on mute.
Our slogan was just STEM, a brighter future.
I like it. Good job. Okay, everyone, that's all we're going to have time to share today because our workshops have to go kind of fast, but I'm sure you all did great. From the ones I heard, those were all great examples of all three of these different ways to advertise, and these are only some of the ways. So real quick, we're going to hurry and debrief. So if you guys want to talk amongst yourselves or in the chat, just say what you learned and how you can apply this to tri-teams. And if you share it in the chat, then I'll announce some of the things you guys say. Yeah, so it looks like Morgan County said that they learned how to market, what the 4 Ps are, and how to create a slogan, which is great. Morgan County, do you want to tell me in the chat how that applies to a tri-team? It looks like we also had Sam Pete say that they learned how to target for their audience, which is great. That is great, Salt Lake County. Salt Lake County made a slogan that says every clover needs a stem. That looks really cool. I love it. Okay, well, I hope you guys all learned something about marketing and you learned how you can apply it to your tri-team. Oh, Morgan County said to get people to come and join our camps, which is great. That's one big thing you're going to need to do while you're a tri-team. So I'm glad you guys all learned how to market properly. Now we're going to have Evan